Hi everyone, it's Miss Brenner. I'm here with your agenda for 5/20. I hope you're all doing well and staying happy and healthy. So as we scroll down to week 17, we are going to be working on activity 3 today. That means that you are going to be watching the Edpuzzles for Romeo and Juliet Act 3, Scene 1. There are 3 different videos. So one is the audio explaining what is happening in that scene if you follow along with the book, and then the other 2 are movie clips to help show visual of what's happening in that scene. Then you're also going to listen to through Edpuzzle Act 3 Scene 2 and complete the irony questions for Act 2. So this worksheet is just asking for different forms of irony that can be found in Act 2 overall. Alrighty guys, if you have any questions, please feel free to send me an email. Please make sure to check the back calendar. Remember that your test for Acts 1 and 2 is on Monday, and to have your your study guide completed by midnight on Friday. Along with that, please remember to log your silent reading at the top of the Schoology page. Alrighty guys, have a great day. I'll see you later. Bye.